Believe in my.
I will not let you destroy my world!
Oh, we got the speed up, speed up. I'm feeling so soft, all love surrounding me. If I just believe in myself.
Hey guys, today we are back playing some Sonic Boom Dash 2, so let's get into it. Let's check. Let's open some gifts. Dash last 10%. Okay, cool. Let's now do the shadow event.
Hi guys.
Okay, this Tajish said hi, so let's start the run. Today we'll do better than yesterday. Eggman, I'll get you one day, and I will be the one mocking you. I really want Shadow. I got Tails from the Tails event, so let's see if I can get Shadow. I will need that red star ring. So if I don't get Shadow, I can just buy him. But I really want to buy some other characters. Guys, who's your favorite Sonic character? Mine is Shadow. No, I'm not an edgelord, I just like Shadow. Shadow is cool. No, I know what some people are saying down there in the comments. Shadow is an edgelord. No, yes, but I like Sonic X, the Sonic X Shadow. So yeah, who's your favorite Sonic character? And if it's Shadow, which variant? I like the Sonic Riders design. Also the Boom design is cool. Back in my day, every kid used to watch Sonic Boom. But I remember back then, everyone used to say when they grow up they want to be Spider-Man, Iron Man, or something like that. Wish me good luck. I don't want to lose. I lost Shadow once. Not again! No, we're not reviving. Oh, okay. Let's do this run again. Then we do the normal runs.
Get away from me!
And by the way guys, this is part 2 of the video I posted yesterday. I'm mainly aiming to destroy the bombs, but some enemies didn't hurt. Apparently the bombs are called mines. So that's what I'll be calling them, mines, not bombs. I like Shadow's boots design. It's cool. and I like the forest Sonic. I like Sonic's forest shoes from Sonic Prime. I really hope Sonic Prime gets a season. I think season 4, yeah, season 4. Bruh. Let's go up. Where the blue the thing that makes you go boom. No! Okay, let's now do the normal run. Let's see. Oh, 2,500 to get Shadow. I need 300 to get Shadow. Yes. I thought it was only 111. Okay, let's go. I'm coming for you, Eggman. You can run, but you can't hide. Here I go. You can run, but you can't hide. And we are nearly at 200 subscribers. Thank you, all of you. I never thought we would reach such a subscriber goal. My original plan for this year was a 200 subscriber goal, but now we may even reach 300. So thank you, all of you. Oh no. I need to boost! No! I need to boost with Sonic today. Yesterday I didn't boost with Sonic. I didn't boost with Sonic at least once. Okay, let's do Sonic. Rings! Oh no, I can't believe I missed that. Now we have to defeat Moobot. Thinks what the robot's called. It's been a while since I watched Sonic Boom. Boing. Is it just me, or do you guys wonder what dogs call milk? I have a feeling they call them moose juice. Moose juice. Okay, more about the video. Not a lot of people play this game. They mostly play Sonic Dash. But I like this game. It's cool. And it's about Sonic Boom. Yeah, most of you don't like Sonic Boom. Most of the whole Sonic community don't like Sonic Boom. I don't know why. I honestly thought Tails would be flying, not running the way he's running. Boost. Next corner. Let's use Knuckles. Z Echidna. How many of you guys tried doing a spin dash as a kid? I know I used to always wanna do spin dashes. Let's get that ring, that red star ring. Go. Eee.
Then, yeah. Can we call that too?
Knuckles. This is Knuckles.
Knuckles. I forgot Knuckles.
It's okay. Let's go super fast.
Let's still on the video. Huh?
I am Knuckles, the Echidna. Oh, please no! We are about to pass. Bang! Oh no, okay. Okay guys, I think that's it for today's video. Be sure to like and
Subscribe.
and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I can never do right in your mind. It's just so hard to stay